It's quiet now. The city lights are fading and the world begins to slow down. Take a deep breath. You've made it through another day. Maybe it wasn't easy. Maybe you didn't hit every goal. But you showed up. You tried. And that's what matters most. You're still here. Still fighting. Still becoming the person you were meant to be. Don't rush to tomorrow just yet. Sit in this moment. Feel the stillness. Because this is where change begins. In the quiet moments. Everyone wants success that's loud, but real growth, it's silent. It happens when you wake up early and no one sees it. When you say no to distractions, when you choose peace over drama. Success is built in small, invisible decisions, not in applause, not in validation. You've had days where you questioned everything. You've doubted yourself, compared yourself, felt lost, but you're still here. That's strength. It's not about being fearless. It's about walking through fear anyway. Remember, you've survived every bad day before. You can handle tomorrow too. We live in a world that worships speed, fast results, fast success, fast money. But the truth is, real growth takes time. A tree doesn't bloom the day you plant it. Your dreams won't unfold in a week. Patience is power, discipline is freedom, and consistency, that's your superpower. So even if no one notices you right now, keep building. When it feels like nothing's changing, trust that it is. Progress hides beneath repetition. Every small effort stacks up quietly until one day it all clicks. And everyone calls you lucky. You won't be lucky, you'll just be consistent. You've been through things most people couldn't handle. You've felt pain, disappointment, heartbreak, failure. But every time you came back stronger. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. You are not here to compete. You are here to evolve. Let others chase attention. You chase peace. Let them show off. You show up. There's a quiet confidence in people who stay focused, who don't talk, but do the work. That's who you're becoming. Tonight, let go. Let go of what you can't control. Let go of the pressure to be perfect. Let go of comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Breathe. Be grateful. Not just for what you have, but for who you're becoming. The lessons, the patience, the strength, they're shaping you quietly. Gratitude turns chaos into calm. Even when life doesn't look like your plan, trust that it's still leading you somewhere good. Every delay, every closed door, it's protection, not punishment. You're not late, you're in alignment. Repeat this to yourself. I am exactly where I need to be. I am learning, growing, healing. I am not my past. I am my potential. Every day I'm becoming stronger, calmer, and more focused. I don't chase what's not for me. I attract what matches my energy. I am grateful for how far I've come. I trust the process. Say it until you believe it, because your words shape your world. What you speak at night becomes the mindset you wake up with. As you close your eyes tonight, remember, tomorrow is a new beginning, a clean page. You don't have to have everything figured out. You just have to keep moving. Rest, not because you're weak, but because you're preparing for the next chapter. Life isn't a race, it's a rhythm. Some seasons are for building, others are for breathing. So breathe. Let peace fill your chest. Let gratitude calm your mind. Tomorrow you'll rise again, stronger, wiser, and more focused than ever before. Good night, and remember, the dream only works if you do.